What's going on, internet? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I would first off like to apologize and give you a very warm welcome back because I know I've been absent from the internet for about a week and a half or 2 weeks. I was just really busy at work in Canada. I did record a vlog while I was in Canada though, but I think I'm going to upload that after this video because you guys know I like to stay current. But regardless, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is nice to see you guys. I know it's been a minute. Today I've got a very interesting video coming up. If you couldn't tell, I'm in the Hummer. And if you couldn't tell from even further back, I've got the enclosed car trailer with me today. And it's empty. Super sorry to interrupt your video like this, but I did want to give you some exciting news. Number one, I'm sitting in my car right now, so I did end up getting it. And number two, I just dropped 6 new pieces on the Chasing Checkers website. Super stoked. I dropped 5 different t-shirts. They're all labels t-shirts. I'm wearing one of them right now. So you can kind of choose what label suits you best in the motorsport community. So the different labels are athlete, pit crew, media, enthusiast, and then lastly race team for somebody like me that wears all of the hats. Super stoked on these t-shirts. I've always wanted to make something like this, and I worked really hard on this drop, hence my absence. Again, I apologize for. And the hoodies are fire. I was wearing it in the thumbnail of this video. I absolutely love it. It's my new favorite hoodie. It's a Champion made hoodie, so it's super high quality, really, really warm, super soft, and it's the motto hoodie. So basically the whole Chasing Checkers motto is on the back of the hoodie and the slogan is on the sleeve. Really stoked on that. I worked super hard on that design, so I hope you guys like it. The link is in the description below if you want to check it out. And the first 50 people that place their order on the Chasing Checkers website will be getting a very limited edition pin. So, just wanted to let you know that. Sorry to interrupt your video. I guess you probably are wondering what car I got, so I will let you get back to it. We also have a Steven. We have a Steven with us.
Steven's back.
Yeah, I got 2 experts with me today. They don't know what kind of car it is, but you're jealous. You told me, right? I sent you pictures.
Yeah, I'm jealous.
Are you excited?
It looks nicer than mine. So.
I feel like if everything checks out, I think we should be okay.
Yeah.
So, I'm really excited.
Where are we going again?
We're not telling them that, but we're going to Orange County. And we've got Oscar driving because we have the enclosed trailer, and I am so not comfortable with a trailer that wide yet. And Oscar's an expert, so we're just going to let him drive. It's going to be all good. The first plan that I think we're all in agreement on is taking off the bumper from the car. The very first thing that we're going to be doing is taking the stupid bumper off of the car. I'm not leaving that thing on there.
Unless you're doing like a resto mod and we should take the bumpers off and then do 3 bumpers or no bumpers.
Yeah, no,
I'm pretty sure she's going to want to go with...
Probably, yeah. They look clean with them.
Let's just start off with, unless you put a body kit, then...
I mean, honestly, I don't have a plan for the car right now.
Yeah, I know you said you don't, it's just because it's such a good deal.
It is. It's a freaking steal, and then I've always wanted one on top of that, so I'm going to, take my time. It's probably going to be like the demo car, honestly. I'm just going to take my time and get to it when I finally get to it. I would obviously like to get the car running with this engine that's already in it first. And then later, if I decide to change it, that's one thing. But I would like to get it running. I'm kind of excited to... Okay. Made it. We successfully found a parking spot with the trailer. Are you guys excited? Anybody else excited?
What are we getting?
Or is it just me? We're not telling them yet. We still haven't seen it yet. I have to see it. I don't even know if I want it yet.
C8 Corvette.
Is that can you imagine? Oh my goodness.
In all her glory.
Oh.
So I think he said his rest right here.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some rust right there too. There's some right there too. Yeah, something like here. Just starting down there too. Okay.
Alright. So yeah, so like I said, it's nothing too crazy.
Yeah, it's not bad.
So that's why I'm saying you don't know for sure what you're getting into.
So you never heard this one run then?
No.
Okay.
Like I said, if he rents it, they gotta be more lenient.
That sounds better right now.
Yeah, because then we know where you need to start. There's no fire of it.
I know.
Not right now.
Wow.
Got compression.
Yeah. Okay, you guys, your package is secure, and I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it. No idea, but it's mine, so it's fine. It's fine. Let's go.
Let's see what happens.
All right, you guys, so we just got back to the house and we unloaded the car off of the trailer and everything. Honestly, we were in a super big rush when we were over there, and I just wanted to get the car home and everything and then be able to explain this to you guys. My dad is actually on his way over right now to pick up the truck and trailer because he says that he needs it for some reason today. But anyway, here it is, 1976 Datsun 280Z. Are you guys stoked? You guys are both 280Z owners, so.
I'm stoked.
You've been wanting this car. You've been trying to convince me to trade with you. I've been trying to get your car off of you this long, and here we are now with this one. So basically, what we think, what we know so far that's wrong with this car is a fuel delivery issue is kind of all that we really know. So, hey, you're back pretty soon.
What the hell is this?
I didn't even tell you I was getting this, huh?
Getting what? This?
Yeah, it's mine.
For what?
Aren't you excited?
No.
Why?
What is this?
What do you mean? What is it? What do you mean? It's a 280Z.
Race car.
What year is this?
Race car.
What year is this?
Take a guess.
Thing?
Just take a guess.
1920.
No, Dad. Come on.
I don't remember what.
It's not older than you. Yeah.
73.
6.
76. I was gonna say 76. But anyway.
Are you stoked?
Yeah, because 73 was the last year. 72, 73 was the last year they did steel bumpers on other vehicle companies, but then these guys might have been doing it longer.
The door doesn't work on this side.
Yeah. Am I excited? Did you say?
Yeah.
Whatever happened to saving money?
It was a really good deal. This was a steal. Okay, so a huge part of the reason why I even got this car in the first place, I've always wanted a 280Z, but the reason that I got this one right now, even though I feel like I'm not ready per se, because I still have obviously this car right here that needs to be up and running, and then I got my race car and my demo car and stuff. But the reason that I got this car is because it was such a good deal, and honestly, you can't find a 280Z with the original engine in it that's running for like what, Steven? What do you think? Like
in Cali, the prices are crazy. But
they're like 7-8 grand,
yes,
right?
yeah,
for like a running one.
5K at the least, but it would be worse, way worse condition than this.
Yeah, and it's gonna have like rust all over it and stuff. So this one was not nearly as much as those two numbers that we just threw out. This one doesn't technically run. It cranks. There's a fuel delivery issue as far as we know. So we're gonna try to like work our magic and like see what we can do and get it up and running. But the guy has heard it run before. He's really sad to even be parting ways with this car, so I think he had like big plans for it. But what's that, Steven? What's crazy?
This is an AC car.
What? But you can't refill the AC in these cars, right? It's illegal.
You can buy it. It's just not legal for sale in California.
You can't buy that shit here.
Is this going to be a drift car?
No, Dad.
Well, it looks like somebody's already drifted it looking at this back tire here. This shit's bald.
I know. Well, these are Steven's wheels. These are Steven's wheels on the car.
They're Steven's wheels. No wonder.
It makes sense now.
Steven goes to the track with bald tires.
Already, yeah. He goes, dang, he called you out, fool.
Yeah. Shot fires.
Jeez. Poor Steven, it's just
Steven
like
says-
turning red.
Steven says, if I go to the track with bald tires, my car will look cooler because it'll have sparks coming from the real one.
Never.
Yeah, that's his deal.
So the guy said that he has heard the car run before. The car does crank. We cranked it a couple times and everything. But honestly, like, I'm not that worried about it. If he thinks it's a fuel issue and it was running and then it stopped running and they replaced the fuel pump, it might be a bad fuel pump, an aftermarket one, maybe the wiring is mixed up or the return and the feed line are mixed up or something like that. So we're going to figure it out. I wasn't planning on getting a 280Z this soon. I thought I was going to be much further in life before I actually owned one of these cars because I do want to kind of restore it the correct way. Not like completely restored to its original form clearly, but you know, I wanted to take my time with something like this. I don't want to rush it, but this was honestly too good of a deal to pass up. So I've literally been in California for less than 48 hours and I have a new car in my backyard. Steven's all excited. Steven's like trying to get this car like running now. You're like, are we gonna get back in time to like see if it'll run?
Headlights work, side markers.
Going in
work.
circles.
Wow, what? Oh my gosh, look at it. Wow, brake lights even work. Holy moly. So
So anyway, here's the car. Here's the interior. It comes with a really cool mat. There was like a speaker system in here or something, but the cool thing is we were looking in here, there's no rust in here at all whatsoever. There's no rust underneath the carpet and everything on the floor. Steven!
There's nothing in here.
Sorry.
You got some inside?
No, I don't think so. That's it. That's probably it.
Nothing.
Clearly, the body of the car needs a little bit of love. It does have a couple door dings. There's a pretty big one right here. I honestly should probably just replace this door. This door handle doesn't work anyway. He said that I probably need to open it up and see if it's just detached or something like that. There is another door ding back here on this side, like right here next to the handle of the car. There's one up here on the fender that actually has a crease in it, so that kind of sucks a little bit too. But the good news for me is my dad used to own a body shop, and I'm actually sponsored by a paint and body shop, Duraglow, so I'm not super duper worried about the body of the car. Clearly I want to make the least amount of work for us as possible. I really want to get this car up and running though. Another thing that I have noticed is that the clutch does go straight to the floor when you try to push the clutch in, but I'm really excited to kind of see what condition this car is really in once we get it up and running, so should be exciting. Oscar's the person that's found this car actually. You were going to buy it.
I was.
For yourself.
But I didn't want to be greedy. I got one already.
Yeah, you have one already. I was like, please let me have it. I want this one.
He didn't want to be broke, is what it was.
Dang.
That was definitely not it.
I think this car really needs a jet tag already. This is for the Z, for the other Z. So like I said, obviously this car is going to need some paint. It's going to need a little bit of body work and stuff, but I'm honestly kind of excited to explore that area of the automotive industry because I still haven't gotten to do that yet. All of my chassis are usually pretty clean when I do buy them, but I'm really freaking stoked on this, to be honest. Like, it's actually pretty clean. Obviously, I'm going to end up replacing the steering wheel. These seats are honestly, like, oddly very comfortable, but I'm going to replace them because I'm not really a big fan of this. I think it's kind of cool for a minute. Clearly, the dash is cracked. That's something that you're going to get on every single old car, but I'm really stoked on this. Look at this odometer, guys. Literally, look at this. That's insane. 95,000 miles. That's less than my demo car, less than the race car, I'm sure. And Cam is here to visit. Hello, Cam. Say hello.
Sidebar.
What's the sidebar?
Sidebar is, I'm going to go pick up my car. You want to go check it out?
What are you, wait, your car?
That's
or?
why I need my trailer. I got to pick something up. I've had this car for like a year, but it's been sitting in somebody else's
So I haven't
lot.
seen it yet.
No.
You guys want to go?
Let's go.
Are we gonna go get another? We're gonna go get another car with the trailer.
Well, I mean, it's not exactly. I mean, this.
Stealing my shine once again, as always. Stealing my light. So we're gonna go?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
All right, I guess we're going. Okay, so before we go and pick up my dad's car that I've never seen before and I don't even know what he's getting, I'm kind of excited for that. Like, I'm kind of excited that we're going to go and see that car. But anyway, another really cool thing about this car is that it came from MSA, which is
Motorsport Auto, aka the Z Store.
Okay, so apparently what those guys do is they kind of like remanufacture like original parts for the older Zs. Am I wrong? Right? Yeah. That's like what they do pretty much. So you're getting like a brand new part for an older generation Z, like a Datsun, but it's like a brand new part instead of actually just having to try to, like, you know, find all the old parts and stuff like that and hope that you get one in good condition. But I don't know that much about that store because I was not in.
You will now.
I know, I wasn't a Datsun owner, so I didn't know these kinds of things. I just get, you know, my stuff from Z1 and everything. But anyway, if you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I don't know what's going to happen when we go and pick up my dad's other car, so I think I'm going to make that a separate video because, you know, kill two birds with one stone. But anyway, if you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see me do with this car. I have my own plans for it, so I don't know that I'm going to listen to you. But, you know, you can comment below and let me know what you want to see. Let me know if you guys have any ideas. Very open to ideas and stuff like that. But if you guys have made it this far, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget I'm going to be dropping new Chasing Checkers merch this Friday. So mark your calendar for that if you haven't already. Make sure to follow the Chasing Checkers account on Instagram. And I'm talking too much. I'm really thirsty and I'm going to go. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.